Hello students, good morning. We are learning chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Today we are going to learn opposite rays. Opposite rays means two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line. Here two words are important: common origin. Origin means starting point of the rays is common and form a straight line. Given two rays have the common origin and form a straight line. These are two rays, PQ and PS. Ray PQ and ray PS. Look here. Now, the origin means starting point of ray PQ is point P, and ray PS, starting point of ray PS is also P. P is common origin. This is the origin point of both rays. But they do not form a straight line. And therefore these are not opposite rays. In this figure, ray PQ and ray PS are shown, but their common origin is point P, but they do not form straight line, and therefore these two rays are not opposite rays. Now, in the given figure, look here, two rays from starting point B, ray BA and ray BC. Ray BA and ray BC both have common origin B. Ray BC starts from the point B. B is origin, and ray BA also starts from the point B. It means this is the common origin. And second condition, form a straight line. Because of these both rays, a straight line is made. A straight line is formed, and therefore ray BA and ray BC are opposite rays. Because they have common origin as well as they form a straight line. Wherever we see that become a straight line, the rays that form a straight line, those rays are opposite rays. Okay. Now, next point, angles in a linear pair. Here is known word linear or line. This is also form a straight line. Okay, line. The angles that form on a straight line. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. We have to remember that on a straight line, two angles are formed, that angles are angles in a linear pair. And angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. It means the sum of two angles, the pair of these angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. The sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree, and therefore they are supplementary angles. Now look here, line PS is given. Line PS. On this line, two angles are formed. First angle, angle PQR. Angle PQR. And second angle, angle RQS. RQS. Both angles form on a straight line, on line PS. They have common arc QR. They have common arc QR and they form on a straight line, and therefore we can say that line PQR and angle PQR and angle RQS are angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. And therefore sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle RQS is equal to 180 degree. Because they form on a straight line, they are angles in a linear pair, and angles in a linear pair are supplementary. If this angle is 60 degree, this will be 120 degree. If this angle is 40 degree, then this become 140 degree. Okay, because the sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree, they are supplementary, and therefore their sum is 180 degree. For you, this practice set. Practice set 18. This is the homework for you. You have to write all this first and then solve. Practice set 18 in your